Hi. In today's short video, I want to show you how you can change your node to another node. This is very practical, and saves time. If you, for example, realize afterwards that a character would work better if you had used a different node. Instead of deleting the node and starting all over again, you can use this function. It's called change type here. If I go with the mouse onto my object here, then this little info box appears, and here I can see what type my object node is. As you can see, my object has the type kinematic body 2D. Let's say I want to change my object to static body 2D. I can easily do this by right-click on my object and click on change type here. Now I can search for static body 2D in this search field, and then click on change. If I now go back to my object with the mouse, then you can see that the type of object has changed to static body 2D. But there is one more thing to consider. If your object already has a script, as in my case, then you have to go to your script and change the keyword extends to static body 2D. Because the extends keyword determines what node functions are available to you. This class now refers to the functionality of static body 2D. And that's it. Now you have changed the node type of your object without having to delete the node to use a different node. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye.